Kindergartners, you're going to get your clay piece back, and you are going to be using crayons today to show off those textures. I'm going to zoom in and show you. When we color with crayons, we're not going to get all those textured spots. Our crayon is kind of just coloring the top surface of the clay. So if I go back and forth, I'm not going to get it all purple. I get the texture full of color. I'm going to try to show off all the pictures I put in my clay. I'm going to color the circles so they stand out. I'm going to pick a different color and color the lines on this side. I am pushing hard, trying to fill my clay up with color. If the crayons need a little peel, you can peel them today. I am going to show you, if you go fast and light and don't push hard, it's going to be really hard to see that color after we paint them. So push hard, go over the top, over and over, trying to get as much color on your clay as you can. You can even color the back today. So if you want to flip it over and do a little coloring by your name, you can do that. When you're finished and your colors are dark, you're going to bring them over to the counter where a teacher is going to be wearing gloves to get them into the black paint. Remember to push hard. Okay, we're first going to put them in some black paint. Then we'll put them in a little bit of water to rinse them off. Okay, so it's going in the black paint. We're going to have to stand back so it doesn't splatter anybody. Then we're going to put it in the water. I can see the colors coming already. There will be towels. The teacher will dry your clay. What's it going to look like? Awesome. Look where I pushed hard. I can see my colors. Where I went really lightly, I can't see my colors very well. You're going to take your clay back to your table spot where you're going to take your yarn, and there will be beads at your table. Your job is to put 5 beads on your needle. They fit in through the hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Watch this trick. I'm going to push them towards the yarn, and they slide right onto my yarn. I have 5 beads. Then my needle is going to go in one of the holes and out the other hole. So I have 5 beads, then my clay. Now I'm going to put 5 more beads on this side. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to push them onto my yarn. My pattern should have 5 beads, then my clay, then 5 more beads. I'm going to carefully carry that yarn and my clay over to the counter and put it on the counter by the teacher.